Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into the world of Trello to learn how to create teams, a fundamental part of leveraging Trello's collaborative drive. First up, let's sign into your Trello account. If you don't have one, consider creating one. It's super quick and easy. Now that we've signed in, we're at our Trello homepage. We do this because it's the launching pad for all your Trello activities. Next up, on the top right corner of your screen, click on the plus icon. This button is the gateway to creating anything new on Trello. Once you've clicked on that, a drop-down menu appears. From here, select Create Team. Now we're at the Create a Team page. Here is where the magic happens. It's where you give your team a name and description. Keep the name short and the description succinct but informative. This helps us because it makes your team easily identifiable and sets clear expectations about the team's purpose. So, go ahead and type in your team name and description, then click on Create. Let me explain why this matters. Trello is all about collaboration and organization. By creating a team, you're setting up a shared space for you and your colleagues to collaborate, organize tasks, and share ideas. And there we have it. You've just created a team in Trello. Now you can invite members, create boards, and start collaborating. This process is fundamental to harnessing the full power of Trello's collaborative features. And with that, you're all set to take your project management to the next level with Trello. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.